Or make I start with from the beginning, sha. Fraction na from Latin word fractio, meaning breaking. Like for medical science, don break your bone, they go say you don fracture your bone. Abi for this concept, when you don dey divide things or share things, then you don dey create fraction. When you don gather things like this, since na different things, you are already working on fraction. Like now, you see this one now, a round object. Or here they come share am into two, for here they share am into four, for here into three, here into six, here into eight. Basically na wetin fraction be that, no be big deals. Once we don organize or we don share or divide things finish, we wan know which one we use and which one remain. See here now, this one na complete one, so they no use am. But this one na complete, they come comot half. Complete, come divide am into three, come comot one. This one they divide am into five, come comot one. This one they divide am into seven, come comot one. This one they divide am into four, come comot one. This one na another round cycle wey dey share between two people. Maybe na work wey woman dey do. See woman compared to the work wey man dey do. You understand? Now, wetin we dey do for the fraction be say the total number of division dey down, and then the one wey we use dey up. This one wey dey down na the total division. This one na the part wey we comot. Total division part wey we comot. So fraction is represented, so we go write number on top and then write another number for down. The one wey we write for up, we dey call am numerator, and then the one wey we write for down, we dey call am the denominator. So this one na 1/8 na I collect. See everything with objects wey dey here, the way wey we divide them, and the places wey we call am, and the places wey we select. So we select here, 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 and here. So make we write them. This one na 1/2. This one na 1/4. This one na 6/12. This one na 1/3. This one na 1/4. 1/2. This one na 1/5. Then this one na 1/2 too. This one na 3/4. Na so we dey take write the fractions. E get formal way wey we dey take call or pronounce fractions. Like 1/2 now, they call am half. 1/3, we call am 1/3. So 1/4, 1/4. Our numerator will pronounce them in number terms, while the denominator in position terms. This one dey fourth position, this one dey 1. This one na 1/5. This one wey I get for here now. 6/12 like this. 6/12. If I get 2/100, we will call am 200th. If I get 10/1000, we will call am 10,000th. If I get 5/10, we will call am 5/10th. If I get 1/30, we will call am 1/30th. If I get 3/31, 3/31st. So formal statements of fractions. Applications of fractions, especially if you want to express your idea statistically or numerically or mathematically, fractions go help you drive your point well. And the fraction they do, they help us get mental idea or picture. Wetin we dey divide or share, they affect the whole portion of wetin we get. Number two, we go fit estimate some things. If we don share this one, e reach this side, maybe if we divide am more like this, e go complete this side. And number three, fraction dey help us show relationship. If we dey divide this one, e dey affect this one, e dey affect this one. If e dey affect this one, how e dey affect this one? So na wetin fraction dey help us. Another one wey fraction dey do be say e dey help us predict outcomes. In fact, na this thing make me I dey take this topic. Fraction na the basis for probability, and probability dey help us predict outcomes. If you no understand any point here, make I know. Fun fact about fraction. Fractions na from Africa start, for Egypt, where dem dey use collect tax. Dem use am dey rationalize tax for lands. See the prototype, see wetin dem dey use that time. You see? So this one na the full land. This one na the full land wey dem share into two. So this one na 1/2. So this one na the full land wey dey share into 4. See am for here, 1/4. So this one na the full land wey dey share into 12. Full land wey dey share 1/6. This one na 1/8. This one na 3, 1/3. Na 3 na im dey divide am. So if you follow the half, you go see say na half of this one wey dey middle. So this one na 1/10. You no get full land like this, but you get small land like this. Maybe you get one here, you get this one, get this one, get this one, get this one for different places. If you come, you go pick all these things and they go use and calculate your tax for you, give you. That's 2000 years before Christ. So then after that, British come steal this idea from them. 1550 AC after Christ. Now they come start to dey use and they charge profit for voyage wey dey take come enslave us for Africa. Don tey is part of our life and is a fundamental, one basic fundamental of mathematics. And if you master this thing, your mathematics journey has taken a big leap. So now make I wan start from 0 level. So our objective is say, so all these ones we go take am a class at a time. I go take few minutes dey do the videos for all this topic. Wetin you need to enjoy this class? You're supposed to have mastery of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And you know your basic units of regular measurements of physical quantity. So you have to abreast yourself with those. So thank you for this class. I hope you enjoyed it.